This is actually a cosmetic bag that I found at the Dollar Tree. I love the color and I loved this saying. It says, "Oh my stars." So I thought we could just make it into a quick little DIY sign. It's about the same size as one of those little bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm just going to cut the front of the bag off. And it's like a great like faux leather. It cut really easily. And you never know what you're going to find. No matter what aisle of the Dollar Tree you're at, cosmetic bags can be great to DIY with. Just try to make that look a little bit more symmetrical. I did want it to have a little bit of a wood border so that we could decorate it a little bit. But I think that looks really cute. I wasn't sure my lines were quite up to par, so I do actually measure them with a ruler to make my cutting a little bit better. And then I thought it needed to show maybe a little bit more wood on the top and the bottom, just to space it out a little bit. So I kind of play with it until I'm happy with it. Oh my stars, I love that saying. We're going to use that again here in another DIY. I think it's so fun. Now to attach it, I'm just going to use some Dollar Tree thumbtacks to go straight into the bamboo cutting board. No glue or anything required. We're just going to kind of pin it down. It's another little fun little touch. That bamboo though is hard. It can bend those for sure. There was a couple I had to try a couple times. And get this attached. I thought we could also decorate it a little bit more. If I could finally get this secure. Okay, that looks good. And I thought some stars would be perfect. These are some laser cut craft stars from the Crafter Square at Dollar Tree. I thought they were very ornate. They're kind of like just made out of cardboard, but they're really cute. You can do a lot of fun things with these. And so since it says, "Oh my stars," I thought we would give it some stars to decorate it even further. Now, you could leave it that brown color, but I wanted to make mine a little bit beachy. So I'm just using some light blue. I think this is called Lake, just a very light blue color. And painting over those. Isn't like the designs cut in there just beautiful? I love that. It's a great way to get a DIY material to make your DIY without having to be able to make it. You know, some people have those like laser machines. Those things are so cool that cut things out. And I'm just kind of arranging them in a random pattern all over our little "Oh My Star" sign. And then we're just going to attach them with hot glue. I saw that bag and I just thought, this would be perfect for coastal patriotic. The saying's perfect, the color's perfect. Just got to find some way to make this into a sign. And those little bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, I love picking them up. They're so versatile. They're nice and thick, and you can just do about anything with them. Then I thought it needed a frame. So some of this nautical rope cotton from the Dollar Tree, the white rope. This is, I think, the thinner one. I'm just going to do a really cute little rope border on this. It is definitely thick enough for this. The bamboo board is, cutting board is rather thick. And so I'm just hot gluing that all around the edges just to give another little coastal touch. I do leave a little loop there at the top so that we can make a hanger up there to hang this on the wall. And just try to figure out exactly where my center is so I don't hang it too crooked. And then I was trying to decide if I should just loop it or twist it at the top. And then just cut off here at the corner and we can finish the frame. Just a fun way to hang it, but it's also going to add a little coastal farmhouse charm to this sign. I did decide to loop it, so I just twist it, and then we're going to glue that down to the top of the sign. It's going to have a little rope loop hanger right here at the top. And this isn't very heavy, so it's going to be pretty easy to hang with that, I think. And there is our little "Oh My Star" sign. It's kind of hard to read the yellow parts there, right? But it turned out so cute. It was so easy to put together.